Hi children, now take a book and pencil to split the words. You should read along with me. Okay, let's start the lesson. Economics, Unit 1, Money, Savings and Investment. Money, Savings and Investment. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Learning objectives. To know the evaluation of money, to know about the value, nature, function and importance of money, to understand about savings and investments, to know about the black money. Introduction. Money is a fascinating subject and full of curiosities. It is important to capture this element for the students. The history of money and how various forms were used at different times is an interesting story. Modern forms of money are linked to the banking system. Money is a fundamental discovery which has eased the day-to-day transaction, valuing goods and services, and has allowed us to store the wealth and trade in future. Money is anything which widely accepted in payments for goods or in discharge of other business obligations. Robertson. Evaluation of money. The word money is derived from Roman word monito juno. It is the Roman goddess and the republic money of Roman Empire. The Indian rupee is derived from Sanskrit word rupaya, which means silver coin. Today we use paper notes, coins as money, but the evaluation of this stage has not happened overnight. It took thousands of years to reach such a stage. There are many stages of evaluation of money. The earliest and primitive stage is barter system. Barter system. Barter system is exchanging goods for goods without the use of money in the primitive stage. A barter system is an old method of exchange. This system has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. People exchanged services and goods for other services and goods in return. The value of bartering items can be negotiated with the other party. Bartering does not involve money, which is one of the advantages. Hence, barter system had many deficiencies like lack of double cognizance of wants, common measure of value, indivisibility of commodities, difficulties of storing wealth. Major evaluation of money: commodity money, metallic money, paper money, credit money or bank money, near money and recent forms of money. Money has evolved through different stages according to the time, place and circumstance. First one, commodity money. In the earliest period of human civilization, any commodity that was generally demanded and chosen by common consent was used as money. Goods like furs, skins, salt, rice, wheat, utensils, weapons, etc. were commonly used as money. Such exchange of goods for goods was known as barter exchange. Metallic money. With the progress of human civilization, commodity money changed into metallic money. Metals like gold, silver, copper, etc. were used as they could be easily handled and their quantity can be easily ascertained. It was the main form of money throughout the major portion of recorded history. Barter system is exchange of goods with the goods. They are exchanging the goods of goods with the goods. Next page. Next page also evaluation of money. First see our maize, wheats, millets. This is exchanged into cow. The cow is changed into gold. The gold is changed into coins. The coins are changed into paper. The papers are changed into credit cards, and these credit cards are changed in the recent forms of money transaction. What are the recent form of money transaction? ATM, bank, online, mobile banking. These are the recent forms of transaction. And next page, this is the evaluation of money. In history of money, what is the history? History of money. What is the history of money? The precious metals, especially gold, silver, bronze, were used for metallic money. The standard weight and fitness of metal, particularly gold and silver, with a seal on it, become medium of exchange. They were of different denomination, easily divisible, portable, and were convenient in making payment. King Midas of Lydia innovated metal coin in the 8th century BC by the ancient historian Herodotus, but gold coins were in use in India many centuries than in Lydia. The earliest issuer of coins in the world are the ancient Indians along with the Chinese and Lydians from the Middle East. The first time Indian coins were minted in the 6th century BC by the Mahajanapadas known as Puranas, Karshapanas or Panas. The Mauryans came up with the punch-marked coins, minting of silver, gold, copper or lead, and into Greek Kushan kings introduced the Greek cushion of engraving portraits on the coins. Turkish sultans of Delhi has replaced the royal designs of Indian kings with the Islamic calligraphy by the 12th century AD. The currency was made up of gold, silver and copper known as tanka and the lower value coin known as jittals. The Mughal Empire from 1526 AD consolidated the monetary system for the entire empire. In this era, evaluation of rupee occurred with Sher Shuri defeated Humayun and issued a silver coin of 178 grams known as rupiah and was divided into 40 copper pieces or paisa. During the whole Mughal period, silver coin remained in use. During the British East India Company, 1600, that is 1600, the Mughal currency remained popular, but in 1717 AD, the Farrukshire, the Mughal Empire, gave permission to the Britishers to coin Mughal money at the Bombay Mint. The British gold coin were termed as Carolina, the silver coin as Angelina, and the copper coins as Cupperdoon, and the tin coin as Tinny. And next one, see this image. This is a metallic money. Maurya, Karshapanas, Delhi Sultan, Tanka Shershan Shuri, and Maurya. Next page, paper money. First one, paper money. It was inconvenient as well as dangerous to carry gold and silver coins from place to place. So, invention of the paper money marked a very important stage in the development of money. The development of paper money started on the basis of storage of gold, and the receptions were issued by the goldsmiths for this storage. These receipts of goldsmiths were a substitute for a money and became paper money. Paper money is regulated and controlled by Central Bank of the country. In India, printing, regulating and controlling the paper currencies are done by the Reserve Bank of India RBI, which was established in 1935. At present, a very large part of money consists mainly of currency notes or paper money issued by the Reserve Bank of India. And next page, Credit money or bank money. Emergence of credit money took place almost side by side with the paper money. Keep a part of the cash. People People keep a part of the cash as deposits with banks, which they can withdraw at their convenience through checks. This checks known as the credit money or bank money itself. It is not a money, but it performs the same as function of money, near money. The final stage in the evolution of money has been the use of bills of exchange, treasury bills, bonds, debentures, saving certificates, etc. Recent forms of money, plastic money. The latest type of money is plastic money in the form of credit card and debit card. They aim for cashless transaction. And next page, e-money. E-money is electronic money, is money which exists in banking computer system and is available for transaction through electronic system. Online banking, net banking. Online banking, also known as internet banking, is an electronic payment system that enables customer of a bank or other financial institution to conduct a range of financial transactions through website. E-banking, electronic banking, also known as National Electronic Funds Transfer, is simply the use of electronic funds directly from one account to another rather than by check or cash. Activity 2. Prepare the duplicate model of different stages of money like commodity, money, metal money, plastic money, etc. Give the models to each group students. Teachers and students discovered the different stages of money. Value of money. Value of money is meant the purchasing power of money over goods and services in a country. Thus, it is related to the price level of goods and services, but the relation between the value of money and price level and inverse one. Next page. Do you know symbol rupee? The Indian rupee symbol designed by Mr. Uday Kumar, Viluppuram district, Tamil Nadu. It was approved by the government of Tamil Nadu, government of India on 15th July 2010. 15th July 2010, the government of India approved. The value of money is of two types. Internal value of money, external value of money. Internal value of money. Internal value of money refers to the purchasing power of money over domestic goods and services. The external value of money refers to the purchasing power of money over foreign goods and services. Activity 3. Students to know about the value of money. Set up your classroom like a shop and or market. Students are asked to purchase some commodities from the shop, do the market activities. Teachers and students together discuss the value of money. Nature of money. Nature of money. There has been a lot of controversy and confusion over the meaning and nature of money. Stickwozy states that money is a difficult concept to define, partly because it fulfills not one but three functions, each of them providing a criterion of money is those of a unit of account, a medium of exchange and store of value. Sir John Hicks says that money is defined by this function. Anything is money which is used as a money. Money, what money does. Next page. There are functional definition of money because they define money in terms of the function it performs. Some economists define money as a legal term saying that anything which state declares as money is money. Such money possesses general acceptability and has the legal power to discharge debts. But people may not accept legal money by refusing to sell goods and services is against the payment of legal tender money. On the other hand, they may accept some other things as money which are not legally defined as money in discharge of debits. They may circulate freely. Function of money. Functions of money are classified into primary or main function, secondary function and contingent. Primary or main function. The important functions of money performed in every economy are classified under main function. Medium of exchange of means of payment. Money is used to buy the goods and services. Measure of value. The value of all the goods and services are expressed in terms of money. It is easier to determine the rate of exchange between various types of goods and services. Secondary function. The three important secondary functions are standard of deferred payment. Standard of deferred payment. Money helps the future payments to a borrower borrowing money today places himself under an obligation to pay a specified sum of money on some specified future date. Next page. Store value of or store purchasing power. Savings were discouraged under barter system or some commodities are perishable. The introduction of money has helped to save it for future and it is not perishable. Transfer of value and transfer of purchasing power. Money makes the exchange of goods to distant places as well as abroad possible. It was therefore felt necessary to transfer purchasing power from one place to another. Contingent function. Basis of credit. Increase productivity of capital. Measurement and distribution of national income. Halt. If there is no invention of money, imagine inflation and deflation. Do you know inflation and deflation? Inflation refers to the prices are rising, the value of money will fall. Deflation refers to the prices are falling, the value of money will rise. Savings in banks and investment. Savings. Savings are defined as the part of consumer disposable income which is not used for current consumption, rather kept aside for future use. There are several ways through which a person can save money. Banking facilities, saving money through various forms of accounts. Next page. Saving. Student savings account. Some banking offers student saving accounts specifically for young people enrolled in high schools or colleges. The main features of this account is to maintain zero balance. Savings deposit. Saving deposits are opened by customers to save the part of their current income. The customers can withdraw the money from their account when they require it. The bank also gives a small amount of interest to the money in the saving deposit. Current account deposit. Current account deposits are generally opened by business firms, traders, public authorities. The current account helps frequent banking transactions as they are repayable on demand. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit accounts are meant for investors who want the principal to be safe and yield them fixed yields. The fixed deposits are also called as term deposit as normally they are fixed for specific period. Next, benefits of savings. You will be financially independent sooner. You will not have to worry any unforeseen expenses in future. You will have financially backup in place if you lost your job. You will be prepared if your circumstances change. Next, money investments. You will be more comfortable in retirement. Save today for better tomorrow. Intensity to save among the students. Teach them among taxes and accounting. Involve them in grown-up money decision. Encourage them to apply for scholarship. Help them budget and apply for students loan. Teach them personal savings. Encourage them to open a student Sancheka scheme. Investment. The process of investing something is known as investment. Investment, it could be anything, money, time, efforts or other resources that you exchange to earn returns in future. Investment can be made in different investment vehicles like stock, bonds, mutual funds, insurance, annuities, deposit account or any other securities or assets. An investment always comes with the risk of losing money, but it is also true that you can reap more money with the same investment vehicle. It has protective nature that helps in the economic growth of the country. Comparison of savings, investment and basic for comparison, savings and investment. Meaning, savings. Saving represent that part of the person's income which is not used for consumption. Investment refers to the process of investing funds in capital asset with a view to generate returns. Purpose. Savings are made to fulfill the short-term or urgent requirements. Investment is made to provide return and helps in capital formation. Risk. Low or negligible. Very high. Returns. No or less comparatively high. Liquidity. High liquid, less liquid. Black money. Black money. Black money is a form of uncountable money. Black money is mostly created by business people. They do not show actual income earned in the economic activities. They show only a part of income earned for the purpose of transaction. Black money is accumulated by the criminals, smugglers, hoarders, tax evaders and other any antisocial elements of the society. In India, black money is funds earned in the black market on which income and other taxes have not been paid. The total amount of black money deposited in foreign banks by Indian is unknown. The root cause for the increasing rate of black money in the country is the lack of strict punishment for the offenders. Effects of black money on economy. First point, dual economy. Dual economy in terms of developed sector on one side and the developed sector on the other side. Tax evasion, there be loss of revenue to government and undermining equity, widening gap between the rich and poor, lavish consumption spending. Next page. Destruction of production and pattern, distribution of scarce resource, effects on production. Do you know demonetization? In India, on 8th November 2016, the Government of India announced demonetization of all rupees 500 and 1000 bank note against black money. Recent steps against black money under pressure from India and other countries like Switzerland has made key changes in local laws governing exils foreign already stars in Swiss bank. Special investigation team appointed by government on the direction of Supreme Court on black money, demonetization, some legislative framework in India against black money. Step 1, Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Lokpal Lokyuta Act, Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and the Undisclosed Foreign Income and Asset Bill Imposition of Tax 2050, Benami Transaction Prohibition Act 1988 amended in 2016, the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. Up to this lesson completed. Now take your material to split the word. First question, what is the barter system? What is the barter system? Barter system is exchanging of goods for goods without the use of money in the primitive stage. A barter system is an old method for exchange. This system has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. Second question, what are the recent forms of money? The recent forms of money are plastic money, e-money, online banking, e-banking. Third question, write a short note on e-banking and e-money. E-banking. Electronic banking is also known as National Electronic Funds Transfer. NEFT is simply the use of electronic means to transfer funds directly from one account to another rather than by check or cash. E-money. E-money, electronic money is a money which exists in banking computer system and is available for through electronic system. What are essential of money in our life? Money is used as a source to fulfill basic needs as well as comforts in life. If get place accommodation, clothes, food and other things which add to luxury in life, it is an important source to live a healthy life too. What is the value of money? Value of money is means the purchasing power of money over goods and services in a country. Thus, it is related to the price level of goods and services, but the relation between the value of money and price level is an inverse one. What is the commercial bank and its types of deposits? A bank that offers services to the general public and companies is a commercial bank. The types of deposit in a commercial banks are time deposit, example fixed deposit, recurring deposit and demand deposit, example current account and saving account. Seventh question, what is savings and investment? Savings are defined as the part of consumer disposable income which is not used for current consumption, rather kept aside for future use. Investment. The process of investing something is known as investment. It couldn't be anything. Example, money, time, efforts or other resources that you exchange to earn returns in future. Eighth question, what is mean by black money? Black money is any money on which it is not paid to the government. Black money is a money earned through any illegal activity controlled by a country regulations. The total amount of black money deposited in foreign banks by India is unknown. Ninth question, what are the or effects of black money on economy? Dual economy, tax evasion, there be loss of revenue to government, undetermining equity, widening gap between the rich and poor, lavish consumption spending, distortion of production pattern, distribution of scarce resource. Effects on production. Second Roman, what are the disadvantages of barter system? Barter system is exchanging goods for goods without the use of money in the primitive stage. A barter system is an old method of exchange. This barter system has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. People exchange services and goods for other services and goods in turn. The value of bartering items can be negotiated with the other people. Bartering does not involve money, which is one of the disadvantages. Hence, barter system had many disadvantages like lack of double coincidence of wants, common measure of value, indivisibility of commodities, difficulties of storing wealth. What are the functions of money? Explain it. What are the functions of money? Explain it. Function of money are classified into primary or main function, secondary function, contingent function. Primary or main function, medium of exchange or means of payment. Money used to buy the goods and services. Measure of value. All the values are expressed in terms of money. It is easier to determine the rate of exchange between various type of goods and services. Secondary function. The three important of secondary function are standard of deferred payment, store of value or store of purchasing power, transfer of value or transfer of purchasing power. Contingent function, basis of credit, increasing productivity of capital, measurement and distribution of national income. Third question, explain the types of bank deposits. The types of bank deposit are student savings account. There are savings account. Some banks offer specifically for young people enrolled in high school or college. They may features more flexible terms such as lower or minimum balance requirement. Saving deposits. Saving deposits are opened by customer to save the part of the current income. The customers can withdraw the money for their account when they require it. The bank also gives a small amount of interest to the saving deposit. Current account deposit. Current accounts are generally opened by business friends, traders and public authorities. It helps in frequent banking transactions as they payable on demand. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit accounts are meant for investors who want the principal to be safe and yield them fixed yields. They are also called as term deposit. Fourth question, what are the difference between savings, investment? Basic comparison, meaning for savings represent the part of the person income which is not used for consumption. Investment refers to the process of investing funds in capital asset with a view to generate return. Purpose, savings are made to fulfill short-term or urgent requirements. Investment is made to provide return and help in capital formation. Risk, low or negligible, very high. Returns no or less, comparatively high. Liquidity, high liquid. This is a high liquid and this is a less liquid. Very long answer. Write about the evaluation of money. Some of the major stages which money has evolved are as follows. Commodity money. In the earliest period of human civilization, any commodity that was generally demanded and chosen by common consent was used as money. Goods like furs, skin, salt, rice, wheat, utensils, weapons, etc. were commonly used as money. Metallic money. With the progress of human civilization, commodity money changed into metallic money. Metals like gold, silver, copper, etc. were used as they could be easily handled and their quantity can be easily ascertained. Paper money. It was found inconvenient as well as dangerous to carry gold and silver coins from place to place. So, invention of paper money marked as very important stage in the development of money. The receipts of goldsmiths were a substitute for money and became paper money. Paper money is controlled and regulated by Reserve Bank of India. Credit money or paper money. Emergence of credit money took place almost side by side with that of paper money. The check itself is not a money, but it performs the same as function of money. People keep a part of the cash as deposits with banks, which they can withdraw at their convenience through checks. Near money. The final stage is the evaluation of money has been the use of bills, exchange, treasury bills, bonds, savings, certificates, etc. Now worksheet, money, savings and investment. First Roman, choose the correct answer. The Sanskrit word rupaya, which means dash coin. Second question, dash does not involve money, bartering, net banking, e-banking, credit card. Third question, the dash came up with the punch mark coin, minting of silver, gold, copper or lead. Mughal, Kushans, Mauryas, Greeks. Fourth question, the dash empire from 1526 AD consolidated the monetary system for the entire empire. Greeks, Turks, Mauryas, Mughals. Fifth question, the recipients of dash were a substitute for money and became paper money. A. Bankers, goldsmiths, carpenters, jamindars. Sixth question, the symbol of rupee was approved by the government of India on 15th July 2010, 15th July 2010, 10th July 2011, 12th July 2011. Fill in the blanks. Dash kings introduced the Greek custom for engraving portraits on the coins. Second question, the sultans of Delhi replaced the royal designs of Indian king with the Islamic calligraphy by the 12th century. Third question, silver coin of 178 grams issued by Shershan Shuri was called dash. Fourth question, dash has the legal power to discharge debits. Third Roman, answer in one word. When was Reserve Bank of India established? Who is the current governor of RBI? Who designed the Indian rupee symbol? In which year the Indian government announced demonetization? Fifth question, who innovated metal coin in the 8th century? Abbreviation, fourth Roman. First question RBI. First question RBI. Second question need. First question RBI. Second question need. Third question ATM. Fourth question e-money. Okay. Up to this today class completed. You should write the homework and also worksheet. Write neatly. Don't scribble. Take a photo and send your answer through WhatsApp. Thank you students. See you in next class.